Once upon a time, there lived two cats. They were good friends. One day, they found a loaf of bread in the street. They picked it and decided to break it into two equal parts. The other cat instantly agreed to the arrangement. When it came to deciding who would be the one to divide the loaf of bread, they could not come to a conclusion. While the cats were arguing, a monkey happened to be passing by. This monkey was hungry, too. When he saw the two cats quarreling, he decided to help them. So, he divided the loaf of bread into two parts. But one of the pieces was larger than the other. Before the cats could say anything, the monkey decided to take a bite. But he purposefully took a large bite. And again the monkey slyly told them that he would make the other piece equal to the smaller one by taking a bite out of it. In that manner, the monkey finished eating the entire loaf of bread all by himself. The cats then realized if only they hadn't been fighting among themselves, they would have had the loaf of bread.